Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making Chocolate Brownie Pinecone, perfect for this holiday season. In a bowl I have taken semi-sweet dark chocolate 200 grams. To that I am adding half a cup of butter and will melt it on a double boiler. Double boiler is basically hot water touching the bowl with the chocolate, and I am letting it melt slowly. Our chocolate is nice and melted. In another bowl, I have taken 3 whole eggs. To this, I am adding half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of powder sugar, regular powder sugar. To that, I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla essence or vanilla beans. And now, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of coffee, and I'll give it a nice whisk to form a creamy mixture. Whisk till the sugar is nicely melted and forms a creamy mixture. To that I am adding the melted chocolate and butter mixture. And I'll mix this together as well. Mix well that both the mixture are combined. Now our mixture is combined. As you can see, to this I am adding half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm giving it a nice whisk. Mix till you get a nice and smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. This will take around couple of minutes. When your batter is ready, pour it to a baking tray, grease it well and lay some butter paper. Pour your mixture in the baking tray and give it a nice tap so no bubbles are formed. Preheat your oven on 250 degrees Celsius and bake the brownie on 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. Our brownie is ready. Let's cut it into pieces. As you can see, our brownie is nice and fudgy. You can get 6 big pieces out of this or 12 medium-sized brownies. Now let's shape a pine cone. In a bowl, crumble all your brownies, as this will be the base of a pine cone. To this, I'm adding some milk. We need to make a dough out of this brownie, so add milk little by little if required. Make sure there are no big chunks of brownie. Our brownie dough is ready. We'll let it rest for a couple of minutes so it becomes firm, then we'll shape it. After a couple of minutes, take a small portion of the dough and form an oval shape. Shape all the dough into an oval pine cone. And now we'll put the petals to the brownie mixture. I've taken some chocolate cereal and I'm pressing them in the brownie mixture to form the petals. Making my way from bottom to the top. This will form the petals of the pine cone, giving the brownie a pine cone look. Insert the petals from the bottom to the top. as you can see in the video. And a pine cone is ready. Let it set for a few minutes. You can also coat the pine cone with some chocolate of your choice, like I did, and dust it with some powdered sugar. There you have it, guys. Chocolate brownie pine cone at home. Please do try this recipe at home for this holiday season. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Reels to Meal, and I'll see you in the next video.